If you know anything about California, it would have to be that it is home to a host of politicians, movie stars, musicians, entrepreneurs, and many other public figures. Nevertheless, did you know that it has a list of mansions with jaw-dropping prices? Would you like to know more about that? In today's video, we are going to take a look at some of the most extravagant mansions in the area. Ready? Let's go. Playboy Mansion. You are probably familiar with this mansion, especially if you are into adult entertainment. But even if you're not, you have heard about it. Previously owned by the now-deceased Hugh Hefner, the Playboy Mansion is arguably the most famous in California. Sitting on 20,000 square feet of land, this mansion is not just a private residence. It is also known for having hosted some of the most famous personalities in Hollywood. One of the most notable things about it is that it has a zoo, a grotto, and an aviary. As far as entertainment, there is a separate game room, a theater, and a catering kitchen, among others. Guests enjoy spending time at the property's massive swing pool. The mansion is worth $200 million, and it is easily the most expensive property in California's Beverly Hills. The Spelling Manor. This mansion is located in the lavish Homely Hills area in California. The manor was once owned by TV bigwig Aaron Spelling. At an estimated $175 million, the property is thought to be one of the most expensive in California. It was constructed in 1988 and comes with a flower cutting room, a doll museum, a beauty salon, as well as a few other rooms solely dedicated to gift wrapping. The owner, Aaron Spelling, passed on and left the property in the hands of his wife Candy, who sold the property for $85 million in 2011. La Villa Contena. Located near Malibu Beach, this 8-bath, 5-bedroom mansion spreads over 12,045 square feet, and to own it, you have to part with $53.8 million. From where this mansion is located, you get a spectacular view of the Pacific Ocean. In the home, you will find unique design details such as Italian marble in the restrooms and double formal living rooms. There are also other amenities in the property, including a fitness room, a movie theater, a gourmet kitchen, and a waiting pool. You may also want to note that the property comes with a guest room, so hosting will not be an issue in case you purchase the home. Place Fleur de Lis. Back in 2008, this was named the most expensive home in California real estate market. This mansion is located in the posh Bel Air region of Los Angeles, California. Built in 2002, the 4.6-acre property design was inspired by a palace in Parisian. It occupies 50,000 square feet and comes with 15 bathrooms and 12 bedrooms. It was sold in 2014 for $102 million. Palacio d'Amour. This mansion occupies 35,000 square feet and sits on an extensive 25 acres of land. But that is not all it has to offer. The house includes 25 baths and 12 bedrooms, making it the perfect home for individuals with large families or those who love to host. In the mansion, you will spot handcrafted fireplace mantles that add a touch of vintage elegance to the space. Aside from that, you get an entertainment center as well as a guest house and a vineyard that can produce an entire 7 different kinds of wine. So, if you are a wine lover, go figure. Anyway, this house will set you back $149 million and is one of the most expensive in Beverly Hills. Hearst Beverly Hills House. If you are in the market for a spacious home in Beverly Hills, you have to consider this mansion as it occupies a cool 50,000 square feet of space. It has a vintage feel to it, but that should not surprise you seeing as the home was built in the 1920s. It comes with 19 bedrooms, oversized windows, and arched ceilings. One of the most notable things about it is that it was used for filming scenes of The Godfather and was once a favorite vacation spot for former U.S. President John F. Kennedy. It was listed for $195 million in 2016 following a spat between the Bank of America and investor Leonard M. Ross. Weintraub's Malibu Estate. This property was listed in 2008 for $75 million by Jerry Weintraub, a film producer. Located in Malibu, California, this mansion sits on the shoreline south of Paradise Cove. As the owner of this property, you get 11 bathrooms and 7 bedrooms. This is the main house. We say that because the home does come with 2 guest houses, a pool, tennis courts, a private beach, and an equestrian center. 31100 Broad Beach Road. It may interest you to learn that this is among the most meaningful architectural house designs you will ever find in Beverly Hills. The property boasts about 100 square feet of oceanfront property. As if that is not enough, the house features 9 bathrooms and 7 bedrooms. Aside from that, the property comes with a 2-bedroom guest house, a custom theater, and a private deck overlooking a yard flowing to the ocean, among many other amenities. The property was once home to renowned film director Steven Spielberg. The house costs an estimated $35 million. 27 Beverly Park Terrace. Sitting on 5 acres of property, the Beverly Park Terrace is a gorgeous conventional estate that is meticulously landscaped and manicured. The mansion itself occupies a cool 20,000 square feet and has something to offer everyone from guests to kids. By that we mean guest quarters, a gym, a playroom, and a 2-story library. As you get into the house, you are welcomed by a 40-foot ceiling room with dual powder rooms and crown molding. You also get to entertain your guests in the grand dining room or living room. This home will cost you $35 million. 825 North Whittier Drive. If you are in the market for a custom-built, elegant home with ample space along with meticulous detailing in California, then this would be the perfect mansion for you. This 12-bath, 7-bedroom home goes for $35 million. It is a European-style house with distinct architectural design, and it occupies 20,400 square feet of space. In this house, you get a steam and massage room, a library, a wine room, a gourmet kitchen, as well as formal dining and living rooms. Throughout the house, there are triple crown moldings adorned with intricate gold and silver detailing. This, along with the house's gorgeous limestone flooring that extends to the patio, makes the home a remarkable sight. 864 Stradella Road. You get a unique modern design from the one and only architect Paul McLean when it comes to this mansion. It was completed in 2014 and it merges functionally with luxury, all while allowing you to enjoy a panoramic view of the city. It features 7 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms, and we can assure you that every detail in the house was carefully thought out, and it shows. Occupying 14,000 square feet, this mansion costs $48.5 million. 10664 Bellagio Road. Just like many of the other properties in California, this one is beautiful as well. However, what stands out about it is that it stands on 2 parcels. It features 16 bathrooms and 9 bedrooms, and at this point in the video, you've already figured out that those many bedrooms and beds are almost standard when it comes to California houses. Other amenities include a pool, spa, gym, and a subterranean garage. With $37.4 million at hand, this mansion could be yours. 1201 Laurel Way. This Laurel Way mansion is located up high among the treetops. Looking at this house, it is not hard to see why it is considered an architectural masterpiece. You can tell that a lot of creativity and effort went into the design and construction of the house. First, you get to enjoy all-around breathtaking views since it was glass encased. This means that you can move from one room to another and still get to enjoy a clear view of Los Angeles. The home costs $38 million. 1492 Stone Canyon Road. Sitting on an 8-acre piece of land, this mansion was designed by legendary architect Samuel Marks. He converted it into a French-style shelter that includes a game room, a family room, a formal dining room, and vaulted ceilings, among others. Besides that, the home comprises of a guest room, a massage parlor, a swimming pool, and 3 offices. What's more, it has a vineyard and its sandy beach. How cool is that? This hot piece of property is located in Los Angeles, California, and will cost you $39.995 million. This is where we part ways today. What have you learned? Are the real estate rates in California too high? Let us know in the comments. Please also like the video and consider subscribing if you enjoyed today's content. We upload such videos every week. See you next time.